You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals -7. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 3/2m from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 28 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Divide both sides by 4. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is m equals -7.